How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to our episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over how you can use our dual memory multicolor linear products to run your lights for two different applications. So for example here, I'll be using my multicolor Raptor linear with my optional Grand control. Now on my Grand control, I have my power button, and then I'll have my mode 1 and mode 2 buttons here. Now in mode 1, you'll see I'm in a multicolor flash pattern here. Now if I cycle to the end of my pattern sequence, I'll have 4 patterns in my primary color and 4 patterns in my secondary. And since this is a blue amber model, I'll have 4 patterns in blue and 4 patterns in amber. So I'll go ahead and cycle to the end of the pattern sequence here. And then you'll see that I'll have my 4 blue patterns. So I'll have a half-half style, and then a faster half-half, and then my alternating style there. So I'll go ahead and set my mode 1 to a blue flash pattern there. Now I'll go ahead and switch over to mode 2. Now in mode 2, I'm also in my multicolor flash pattern, so I'll want to do the same thing, but in this case I want to go past my all blue flash patterns and I'll have my amber flash patterns. So if you'll see, I'll cycle to my end of my pattern sequence. I'll have my 4 blue patterns here. Now past these patterns, I'll have 4 patterns in amber. So I'll go ahead and program this half-half color style pattern in amber. Now once I have that programmed in amber, I can easily switch between my mode 1 and mode 2 to run my 2 different colors. So if I want to run blue, I can easily switch to mode 1. And then if I need to run amber, I can easily switch to mode 2 there. So you'll see that you have full functionality with our multicolor linear products paired with our dual memory. And on our Raptor visor bars, you'll also have your additive takedown lights here, which you can activate to go to steady burn, or those modules will flash with your light bar. And then also on all of our new control boxes, you'll also have your night mode button here, which will activate your red backlight LEDs. And then you can activate your night mode via button, or you can hardwire the white cable if you would like to. So make sure to check out the product demos for a full product overview on the product pages, and also check out our interactive players to fully demo your units before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.